In a sleepy town, tourists flocked to see the haunted monument. Legend had it, the statue whispered secrets at midnight. Curious, Lucy and Tom decided to investigate. Did you hear that? Lucy gasped as the clock struck 12. It's saying something. Tom leaned in closer. I think it's, snoring? He laughed. The statue, an old relic, was indeed snoring. Thanks to a hidden speaker planted by the mischievous town mayor, the duo burst into laughter, realizing they'd been pranked. Next time, let's visit a real ghost, Lucy chuckled. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.